Yo, what's up my people, what's up my brothers and sisters. My name is Joseph for JS Media and welcome you back to my channel. This is a filmmaking channel that hopes you become a profitable filmmaker, not just a filmmaker but a profitable one. And today guys, I have a simple tutorial for you, and today I'm going to show you how to create YouTube shorts in Premiere Pro CC. If you are on YouTube, you know that YouTube has really changed its profile, and right now you can also watch short videos on YouTube by going to the YouTube Shorts interface. Before you begin the video, make sure guys you subscribe to my channel, you share my videos, you comment on my videos, you like them, and you follow me on Instagram. So without any further ado, let us guys roll the intro. Alright guys, yes, if you don't know what we call YouTube shorts, these are short videos that normally take 1 minute on YouTube, and they are found in the YouTube short sections. So let us begin right away. So when you import your footage into Premiere Pro, as you can see right now, I'm in the importation folder and I have a boy who is skating, and I want to make a short video that I can be able to post on YouTube. So I just come here and I import my video into the timeline. Immediately a brand new sequence will be created in my timeline. But right now, as you can see, my video is being previewed in full screen display, and this is on the video format for YouTube shorts. So to create a sequence that can be able to fit the YouTube short, I just come to sequence up here and I come to sequence settings. So immediately I'll be displayed with such a big display, and I come to frame size. Here at the beginning, I just go with 1080. Then when it comes to horizontal, I just go with 1920. So immediately after putting in my numbers, I just come here and click OK. So I'll get this notification, but I'll just bring my mouse and press OK. So immediately, as you can see, my video, it is being framed very well in this section, but I'm having some spaces down here and up here. So in order to get rid of all these spaces, I'll just come and highlight my footage here that I've put into the sequence, and I come to my effects controls in the source monitor. So when I come to the effects control, I come to scale and I scale my video until I don't see any blank space. So you might be wondering, yes, my video, it is being cropped and I have no gaps, I have no spaces, but my subject, it is not being displayed very well. He is cropped. So to get rid of that, just come here and you come to position and you position your subject in the center. So when I play back my footage right now, as you can see, my talent, my subject is in the center. But towards the end here, my subject, he goes out of the frame. So what I can do, I just come here to position, and I bring my cursor at the beginning of my video. I create a keyframe at the position so that I tell my subject that I'm going to begin from here. And so when it comes to the middle of the video, as you can see, my subject is out of the frame. I also come to position and I position my subject very well. And as you can see here, another keyframe, it is being created. I also come at the end of my video, and I also make another keyframe. I make sure that my subject is in the center of the frame. Right now when I play back my video, as you can see, my subject is in the center and nobody can notice that I scaled and positioned my video. So immediately after I'm being satisfied with what I've done, I just come here and I highlight my timeline by pressing O, and I go to export and I export my video. So thank you guys for listening to me, and I really appreciate each and every time that you put in to watch my videos, to subscribe to my videos. I really love what you're doing. Thank you very much, and I'm reminding you, please follow me on Instagram at JoeSmedia. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share them, comment so that I can be able to know which type of content do you want to see on this channel. Thank you very much. I stayed JoeSmedia, and I will see you in the next video.